उसकी कार कुत्ते पे चढ़ गई। His car ran over a dog. His car ran over a dog. वह मुझे बदनाम करेगा। He will defame me. He will defame me. लेकिन तुम गिरवी क्या रखोगे? But what will you mortgage? But what will you mortgage? हम कल बाजार जाएंगे। We will go to the market tomorrow. We will go to the market tomorrow. मैंने आपको पहचाना नहीं। I did not recognize you. I did not recognize you. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है। I have to talk to you. I have to talk to you. तुमने खानदान का नाम डुबा दिया। You have disgraced the family name. You have disgraced the family name. मैं आपको निराश नहीं करूंगा। I will not disappoint you. I will not disappoint you. क्या बनाऊं उनके लिए? What should I cook for them? What should I cook for them? इसमें आपका कुछ भी खर्च नहीं होगा। It will not cost you anything. It will not cost you anything. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोचकर रुक गया। I thought of you and stopped. I thought of you and stopped. क्या मेरे सपने सच होंगे? Will my dreams come true? Will my dreams come true? हमें उसे जाने नहीं देना चाहिए था। We should not have let her go. We should not have let her go. कृपया ये गांठ खोल दीजिए। Please unite this knot. Please unite this knot. क्या आप मुझ पर एक एहसान करोगे? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? मैं अगले साल विदेश जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go abroad next year. I want to go abroad next year. मेरे पापा मुझे बहुत डांटते हैं। My father scold me a lot. My father scold me a lot. क्या तुम कल से नहीं आओगे? Will you not come from tomorrow? Will you not come from tomorrow? क्या आप एक प्याली चाय पियोगे? Will you have a cup of tea? Will you have a cup of tea? तुम इतना क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so much? Why do you think so much? कल से तुम सब मेरे लिए काम करोगे। From tomorrow, you all will work for me. From tomorrow, you all will work for me. अगली ट्रेन कब आएगी? When will the next train come? When will the next train come? तुम पैसे कब लौटाओगे? When will you pay back the money? When will you pay back the money? वह उसे कैसे ढूंढेगा? How will he find her? How will he find her? इनमें से कोई भी पेन नहीं चल रहा है। None of this pen works. None of this pen works. अब तुम कैसे जाओगे? How will you go now? How will you go now? वहाँ पहुँचने में कितनी देर लगेगी? How long will it take to reach there? How long will it take to reach there? मैं इतना भुलक्कड़ क्यों हूँ? Why am so oblivious? Why I'm so oblivious? मैं तुम्हारा कचुम्बर निकाल दूंगा. I will pulp you. I will pulp you. आज रात हम बाहर खाना खाएंगे. Tonight we will dine out. Tonight we will dine out. सब कुछ 1 घंटे में तैयार हो जाएगा. Everything will be ready in an hour. Everything will be ready in an hour. यह कमीज खूब चलेगी. This shirt will long last. This shirt will long last. हम उनको धूल चटा देंगे. We will flatten them. We will flatten them. मैं तुम्हें पुलिस स्टेशन ले जाऊंगा. I will take you to the police station. I will take you to the police station. मेरे ख्याल से इसमें टाइम लगेगा. I think it will take time. I think it will take time. मैं थोड़ी देर आराम करूंगा. I will relax for a while. I will relax for a while. हम साथ साथ चलेंगे. We will go together. We will go together. हम वहाँ समय से पहले पहुँचेंगे. We will reach there before time. We will reach there before time.